Today, we're taking a look at the Divoom Time Frame, a desk display that's being marketed as something totally different from your usual digital photo frame. The big idea here is a transparent, floating display that feels more like a next-gen desk accessory than a traditional frame. Think futuristic desk vibes, smart visuals, and heavy customization. By the end of this video, we'll figure out whether this is actually useful on a real workspace or just a cool-looking gadget. This is Anoility Technology, and before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos. Unboxing is straightforward. Inside the box, the main focus is obviously the time frame itself. We'll keep this part quick, because the real appeal starts once it's placed on a desk. Right away, the transparent design grabs attention. Content looks like it's floating in midair, and that alone gives it a very futuristic presence. Divoom positions the time frame as more than just a digital picture frame. It's designed to work as a smart desk display, blending visuals, lighting, and information into one object. Aesthetics are clearly the main selling point here. Instead of feeling like a flat screen, it works more like a desk centerpiece, something you style alongside speakers, lamps, or collectibles. The display itself is a 10.1-inch transparent screen, and the floating visual effect is the star of the show. This is the kind of device you buy for atmosphere. It instantly makes a desk setup feel more dynamic and alive. Customization is where the time frame really leans in. Divoom claims access to hundreds of thousands of photos, hundreds of clock designs, and millions of pixel art creations. If you like switching up your setup, minimal during work hours, cozy at night, cyberpunk on weekends, this thing is built for that. Clock faces aren't just a bonus either. This is meant to be an always-on desk companion that fits naturally into your daily workflow. Divoom even markets it as a one device for every mood. Whether it's productivity, holidays, finance, sports, or creative setups, the time frame adapts to whatever desk identity you're going for. Honestly, that flexibility is one of the strongest reasons to consider it. Beyond visuals, it also pushes into productivity territory with desk dashboard features and over 50 live data options. It can act as a mini information hub, showing useful at-a-glance data while you work. Two features worth highlighting here: RGB lighting and no subscription required. Hearing no subscription in 2025 is refreshing, especially for desk gadgets that often lock features behind paywalls. Divoom also leans into the emotional side of the product. It's positioned as a gift-ready device for birthdays, anniversaries, or special moments. Features like sending content remotely, preloading photos with messages, and daily visual surprises make it feel more personal than purely technical. Physically, the time frame measures around 10 by 5.5 by 1 inches and weighs just over 3 pounds. On the marketplace side, it's rated 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 100 reviews and ranks well within the digital picture frame category, so this isn't just a niche experiment. People are clearly buying into the idea. There's also a sustainability mention, with carbon emissions measured and offset through climate certification, which is a nice bonus for a device that may stay powered on throughout the day. At the end of the day, the Divoom Time Frame is a desk-first display. The transparent design gets your attention, but the real value comes from how it transforms photos, clocks, pixel art, and live data into a cohesive desk experience. If you're looking for something that's both functional and visually expressive, this definitely delivers. Pricing appears to hover around the $115 range, though that can vary depending on where you buy it. Now the real question is, how would you use it? As a photo frame, a clock, or a full desk dashboard? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.